Yo everyone, so I'm doing a vlog. I've not done one in ages. And this one, obviously, you've seen from the title, no makeup for 1 week. Why is Charlena doing that? All right, there are two reasons, to be fair. One, a purely selfish one, and another one, a completely unselfish one. I suffer from keratoconus of the eyes, look it up, it's long to describe, eczema, dermatitis, etc., rhinitis, and people that suffer from these kind of eye problems and allergies are also prone to blepharitis. Blepharitis is like a type of dermatitis that you get on the eyelids in particular, and I last had a flare-up of this like over 10 years ago. It was so bad I couldn't go to work because I couldn't open my eyes. They were that swollen shut, crusty, weeping. It was disgusting. I couldn't wear eye makeup for a year, people, a year. I had to wear glasses for a year. You guys know I hate wearing glasses, right? So anyway, I've been having recent flare-ups of it, not to that extent at all, just very minor swelling around the edge of my lid. I know how to manage it and deal with it. And the thing is, I've continuously been wearing eye makeup here and there. Some days I have, some days I haven't. But the thing is, wearing eye makeup still slightly aggravates it. So I thought, let me give my eyes a good break for a week so that they can recover on their own. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is I want to encourage people out there to not wear makeup, because let's be honest, yeah, the problem's with my eyes, but I could have still worn makeup on the rest of my face, right? Nah, I'm not going to, because I really want to encourage those people out there, because I know quite a lot of women in particular that refuse to leave the house without even a scrap of makeup on. Like, they must have at least mascara, or they must have at least concealer. And I want to encourage you guys, it's okay not to wear makeup sometimes, you know. You don't have to just wear a little bit of something. You can go completely barefaced and it's fine. So you're going to be coming along with me this week. I mean, I'm sure there's going to be comments, you know, it's again one of those things, oh, why don't you have makeup on? Like it's a necessity. And just to open up a bit of a discussion about the whole need that women feel, especially women, it is definitely more women than men, that they feel the need that they have to wear makeup because of other people, other reasons, whatever it is. So let's explore. So here's the joke here. I was just in the gym car park when I was chatting to you. I've just got to work. I got to work 20 minutes early. Really, if you think about it, for those of you out there that like me, that like to wear full face of makeup, how much time do we actually spend every day where we could actually be getting extra time in bed because of makeup? I mean, I overslept, but I got to the gym late. I managed to still do 30 minutes cardio, have a shower, get changed, left early, and I'm at work 20 minutes early, all because I'm not wearing any makeup today. Interesting, no? So it's lunchtime and so far so good. It's raining and I'm just happy that I can go like this and not have to worry about getting makeup on my clothes. It's so refreshing not wearing any, but the one bad thing about not wearing makeup for me personally is when I have makeup on, I'm so used to training myself not to touch my face. Instead, I'm sitting at my desk at work going like this. And that's how I end up getting spots. So I need to stop doing that. But I think it's going quite well so far. Morning everyone, so it's day 2 of no makeup. I woke up 40 minutes later than I normally do, which was great. I got ready so fast, like I had a shower, washed my face, scrubbed my eyelids, because I have to with the blepharitis. Done my skincare routine, got changed, and it's not even 9 o'clock yet. And my work is only 5 minutes from my house. So I'm going to leave in a minute because I'm actually bored and get to work early. This not wearing makeup is great, I tell you. Well, I'm at work 20 minutes early. Can we just talk about my sunglasses though? These are from Zara, they're amazing. Back again in the same spot, my company car park. So it's lunchtime and I went to Shamesbury's. As you guys know, if you've watched my video about the lady who called me horrible because I wasn't wearing makeup, she didn't actually see me, it was somebody else who served me, but I'm waiting. Got another few days left, but the main purpose of me doing this video, to be honest, is just to encourage others out there that may be afraid of not wearing makeup for various different reasons. I don't judge. That it's okay. It's alright not to wear makeup sometimes. It's okay to encourage your natural beauty. I do understand, like for example, one of my friends, she's overplucked her eyebrows to the point where there's hardly anything left and she looks odd. So in those respects, like I do understand that you just don't want to look strange, you know. And but I am going to talk about it throughout the week. I've like asked various different women of different ages, different races, etc., just so I could get proper representation, at least from the people that I know on a day-to-day basis, who wear makeup, who don't wear makeup, who wear a little bit, who wear a lot. I'm the one who wears the most, to be fair. But for now, I'm just happy that I had a nice lie-in, so I'm tired, because let's be honest, when you do a full face, it takes up to an hour, and not have to worry about anything coming off on my clothes, on my hands, and that sort of thing, which is quite amusing really. Well, it's the end of another day of not wearing makeup. I survived, but I'm currently sitting in my car in the Waitrose car park, about to go to the dentist to have my wisdom tooth filled. I have spent so much time at the dentist over the past past 4 weeks, and one thing that does make me laugh is the first time I went, because my gold cap fell off and I panicked, like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, because I hate the dentist. I'm absolutely petrified of the dentist, and I can already feel anxiety building up in my chest. I think it's just because it's one of those things you can't see and you feel like you're about to choke. But the last time I went, I had full face of makeup on. I saw the dentist change his gloves like 5-6 times, and I was like, because I had liquid lipstick on and it rubbed off on his gloves, but he was completely professional. So I'm sure they'll be very grateful today of me showing up with nothing on my face. So I'm out of the dentist. I can't pronounce S. I've got a lisp. I can't take myself seriously. But even though this, I don't know, does this have anything to do with not wearing makeup? Well, considering the amount of work they did on my teeth, I think it was a good thing. There was splashes going everywhere. I had a filling done on the bottom, I had a filling done on the top, and then I had a teeth cleaning, and now I can't feel half my face, and I can't pronounce F. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello, well, I'm on day 3 of the no makeup, and it's great. My mouth is back to normal, by the way. I don't sound like Sid the Sloth anymore. Been to the gym, as I do on Wednesday mornings. I got here late, which was fine. Worked out late, which was fine. And I'm actually leaving for work early. So again, my skin, I'm not sure actually how it's coping without makeup. The weird thing is that these days, there's so many skincare ingredients within makeup, we don't actually realise how much it helps us along with our own normal skincare. And I've also noticed the fact that when I wear makeup, I subconsciously tell myself not to touch my face. And because I've got allergies and stuff, I'm always going like this. And now I've got dry skin around my nose. So in some ways, wearing makeup is actually a good thing, but I'm still loving the whole not wearing it. My eyes are feeling quite calm at the moment. Back again in my car park. I swear I don't live here. It's just, this is where it's quiet without having to vlog on the street. So yeah, still the same, no makeup. I was talking to this lady that goes to the gym with me this morning. She must be in her early to mid-60s. She's got fabulous skin. She looks amazing. She goes to the gym. She's retired. She works out every day, 2-3 times a day sometimes. Anyway, she's really, really lovely. And she's like, oh, she calls me the sparkly one because I've always got some sort of sparkles on, which I do have today. And we were just talking about the whole not wearing makeup thing. And she said, you know, you look perfectly fine without it. But there are plenty of women out there that just don't feel comfortable not wearing makeup. One person I know, she's in her early 60s. She refuses to go out with at least mascara on. She will just not wear nothing at all. And then I know somebody else who's only a few years younger who will happily just go out with none at all because they just don't care about what other people think. And I think, again, the first person I mentioned is worried that she may bump into somebody or something like that. So it is like an interesting discussion to have, how people view things very, very differently. Some people just don't give a shit and will just happily just say, just accept me as I am. I don't even care what you think of me. Whereas other people kind of think, what do others think of me if I don't wear makeup? Well, it's day 4 with no makeup. And you know what, I'm not going to lie, I actually miss wearing makeup. I do. I miss wearing it. This has probably been the longest I have not worn a scrap of makeup in at least 20 years. I mean, 20 years ago I was 16. And maybe I wore a bit of mascara. But I don't even have lip balm on. I miss it. I miss wearing makeup. I had this beautiful green sparkly jumper dress on and my face just is just like, I feel like I need to be completely coordinated. Does that make sense? I really actually do miss it. Back home now. And yeah, I'm sitting on the floor. Look at all them boxes. Shoes, shoes. And a bag full of makeup. This is the kind of mess I live in. Anyway, I'm off to my yoga class now. And the great thing is that I don't have any makeup to remove. But like I said earlier, I actually do really miss wearing makeup. I feel kind of, I don't know, it's really weird. It's like I always like to coordinate my entire outfit from the face to the clothes to the shoes. And now I've just got the clothes, I'm like, I feel like half complete. I don't feel completely complete. It's really weird. But I have been enjoying this whole week of not wearing any makeup. I'm not going to lie, I am looking forward to Saturday and wearing some. It's just been, it's been an enlightening experience, but I do have to say that you stop kind of paying attention after. Who's got their face constantly in a mirror to even remind themselves that they're not wearing any makeup? That's people who spend too much time in the mirror. Because I'm not like showing you, like I'm not like on holiday or out somewhere. I'm just living my day-to-day life, going to work, coming home, doing my shiz. But yeah, I hope that this video helps some of you out there. Look, I mean, look at me, I'm going red because I actually feel really hot. And I don't care. So my face goes red when I go hot. So what? The only person it affects is myself because I feel hot and I don't care. So it doesn't really matter. So day 5, the final day of no makeup. Again, I slept in, took my time, chilled with my nieces, went in the shower at 9:15. And I got here by 9:15. And again, I'm not going to lie, I am missing not wearing makeup, but there is an ultimate reason for doing this, because I want to encourage people that it's alright not to wear any makeup. It doesn't matter what other people think. Any insecurities that you may view that other people see you as a certain way is because of insecurities within yourself. And it's good to be able to work on them to make yourself stronger and just to encourage natural beauty. I mean, we all love makeup, it's all fun, but when that makeup comes off, do you still love that same person that had makeup on earlier on in the day? So it's the last part of my vlog. I've just finished work and I've just pulled up near my house. And that's it really. That's the end of my 5 days of no makeup. Like I said before, I mean, I've spoken to so many women in regards to makeup. I can't say that I've spoken to men because I personally don't actually know any men that do wear makeup. So forgive me if you're thinking that she's not being inclusive enough. But yeah, I know women who literally cannot leave the house without a scrap of makeup on. They're worried about how other people may see them. I also know women that don't wear any makeup at all because they honestly just don't even really care about wearing makeup. It doesn't bother them. So, I mean, everybody's got a different reason as to why they wear makeup, because at the end of the day, we're all born exactly the same. We're all born with naturally beautiful skin. Beauty is only skin deep, as they say, and I personally believe that. All just a matter of perspective. I've happily worn no makeup all week. I've already had that same bloody woman in Sainsbury's saying something about my face, and I'm just like, whatever, because I am old enough to kind of let these comments slide off my back. However, again, it was clearly somebody else who mentioned something about me not wearing makeup. And if I was a lot younger, again, I would develop insecurities and that sort of thing. I personally just don't mind so much. My lips are a bit dry because I ain't even worn bloody lip balm. They feel a bit cracked. But yes, I'm very much looking forward to wearing makeup again tomorrow. I have missed it, I'm not gonna lie. I love wearing makeup. It's definitely an extension of my personality, of my style, and I would encourage all of you to maybe just go one day with no makeup on, just see how you feel. It's just makeup, it washes off and we're all beautiful underneath it all. Beauty comes from here, not from here. Just always remember that. And on that note, I'll see you all soon. Bye.